So here we can see the structure of a typical prokaryotic cell or a bacterial cell. We have the cell wall. Because of the cell wall, the cells have the integrity. The cells have a definite shape and size. Interior to the cell wall, we have the cell membrane. It is also called as plasma membrane. And this plasma membrane, it surrounds the plasma, periplasm, or the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a suspension or solution. So it is a suspension of soluble and insoluble things. Some organelles like ribosomes, the chromosomal DNA is present. So the DNA of bacterial cells is a double-stranded single circular chromosome. And additional to this chromosomal DNA, sometimes the bacterial cells also have some extra copies of the DNA. Those are called as plasmid DNA. Sometimes the cells, they produce a slimy gummy outermost covering, which is called as capsid or capsule. These are the amorphous exopolymers secreted by the cell, which form deposit around the cell and form the slime layer. Sometimes the cells, they have a long hair-like projections, which are a dedicated organ of locomotion, which are called as flagella. And sometimes a smaller hair-like projections are present on the cells. On some gram-negative cells, those are fimbri or pili. The pili, it is the organ of gene transfer. The cells which have the extra copy of the plasmid, that copy is delivered to some other recipient cell by the donor cell with the help of the pili. The pili is also called as conjugation tube. Ribosomes which are present in case of bacteria, they are 70S ribosomes. The cell membrane, the job of the cell membrane is to regulate the movement of solute across the cell. So the influx of nutrients and outflow of waste, it is regulated by the cell membrane. Pili is an organ of gene transfer or conjugation, and the fimbri which are present nearly 100 to 100 per cell, they are organ of adhesion. Fimbri are organ of adhesion. They are 1/10 in size as compared to the flagella. Flagella is a dedicated organ of locomotion, and because of the flagella, the cells are capable of moving from one location to another.